You want to trade like the pros? You want to finally reach your goals? You want the tips to catch pips? Then you come to the right channel, because today I'm gonna show you how to spot the reverse of the market, how to know when the market is about to reverse, so you can get in at the absolute top or the absolute bottom. I'm about to lace you up. I'm your boy Jay Wayne, your Forex plug. Let's get it. Team take profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Hey, I'm trying to teach the team how to trade, man. Yeah, I'm trying to teach them how to trade. Hey, what you can do is send me 2 bottles of Martinelli on Doc 9. 2 bottles of Martinelli on Doc 9. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, and just out here living life. Out here on the boat, you know how we do it. But hey, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, then I definitely think you're gonna subscribe after watching this video, because I'm definitely about to show you, you know, I'm gonna break it all the way down for you, and I'm gonna show you how to catch these reversals and stop, you know, counter trend trading, but trade with the trend. All right, I'm definitely gonna lace you up. Hey, at least I hope you subscribe. All right, you know your boy gonna lace you up. But let's dive in. Today we talking about GBP USD. If you look on the charts on the daily time frame, GBP USD been dropping hard. All right, now it's starting to make a correction, but instead of just a pullback, I'm gonna show you how to catch these trends. So we're gonna dive into the chart. Let's get this money. Look at the daily. All right, I want you guys to see the daily chart. Look all the way back from, like, I don't know, maybe like, let's go to May. All the way back to May. Let me put a line right there for you guys. Look at this. Boom. All the way back to like May 4th. This thing has been dropping, right? And no trend lasts forever. And so you have to identify when it's going to reverse, because the Forex market is regulated. All right, it's not going to just be like crypto or something that just shoot to the moon. All right, it's just not going to do that. Forex has to stay within a range. All right, and then eventually it'll break out of that range, but then it's going to create a new range that it has to fluctuate in between. Okay, so that's just the way it works. And so since we know that the market is just not going to go do something weird, it's going to stay within the range. That way, now we have something to go off of as retail traders now. And so we just got to find those levels, and I'm about to show you. Here we got the big downtrend. So the first thing you want to do is pull out the trend line. The trend line is your friend. Use it. All right. So here we go, pulling out the trend line. We're going to start at the top, and then we're going to drag it all the way down. Boom. All right. So from the trend line, we got the first touch. Okay. Then price came up and touched here, right here. So drag that all the way through. And as they say, 1, 2, go on through with the trend line. It has touched on that line multiple times. That's creating a friction point in the market. The more that area, that trend line gets touched and bounced off of, the more that happens, the more you should get excited, because the trend line, the friction point is getting stronger and stronger and stronger. So when it does break, there's going to be a massive amount of pips that come from it. And by the way, this is the daily chart. Now look, a lot of you guys quickly just go right to the 15-hour chart. You got to think bigger than that if you want to catch the trend reversals, all right? Or you just get faked out in the market. So you see price broke out of it right up in here. It broke out, okay? And it went to the upside, but then it came back shooting down and broke the trend line again. All right, that's fine. But then you see price coming right back up into this area. You see this coming right back up. Now this is the key part where I want you to understand. When it came back up above the trend line, what did it do? Make a higher high and then a higher low. And that's where we at. The trend is changing. So now you need to be a part of that. All right, so now how do you gauge for day traders? How do you trade off of this? You need to use the 50 moving average. Now guys, by now you should understand I use the 50 simple moving average, a free indicator by Stocks Inbox on TradingView. Or you can search for simple moving averages
by stocks inbox. Okay, cool. So now, as you can see, I have the green. When price is above the 50 moving average, it's green. When price is below it, it's red. What do you see now on the charts? You see price breaking above the 50 moving average, making a higher high. Here it is right here, making a higher high right in this area, higher high, and then we got a higher low here. Boom. We're the trend is changing and we're in a bullish market. So your entries, the next thing is, well, where do you enter at, right? Well, you don't enter on a daily time frame, but you can day trade this. You can day trade this. So now if you're a day trader, you want to go to like the hour chart and look for an entry. You know, find a setup of this on the hour chart when it was coming above the 50 moving average on the daily. When you were seeing, listen team, when you were seeing the candles come above or start to approach the 50 moving average on the daily, it is your job to go to the hour time frame and start finding a setup from that. Okay, the daily, right, price is coming up to the 50 moving average on the daily, go to the hour and find that trade setup, and you can enter on a 15 if you want to. That's day traders. Day traders, the moving averages that we like is the 50 moving average. If you're a swing trader, use the 180 simple moving average if you are a swing trader. Now, I'm only looking to day trade this. So I got the 50 moving average, boom. Now, let's go down to the hour time frame. And now, since we know on the daily time frame, a lot of people get confused because the daily time frame was saying this, but then when you go to the hour time frame, it looked like it's back in the downtrend. So you get mixed up from time frame to time frame. Focus on the bigger picture because that's where the momentum is going to be. All right. So now when you're on the hour chart, you got to look for buy opportunities. Let's look at this. So now you got to find zones, right? Look at these zones. Find these zones, Eric. Watch me put one up here. Boom. A buy opportunity in this situation would be right here. This is the first area I will be looking to buy from. Price comes back down there, I will be looking to buy in that area. You see how it makes sense even when I zoom out? Look where price reversed from. The daily saying that it's an uptrend. All right, this is just going to be a pullback. Now, I'm going to tell you one last thing. When you get the crossover of the 25 and the 8, that's signifying the trend change. Now, how long it's going to change for? Who knows? We don't move the market. But we got a trend change when those moving averages cross. Combine it with the 50 simple moving average. It's above it now in a buyer's market. That's your entry. That's your entry. All right. So you can see it. Look at the blue line crossing above the orange. Look at the momentum on this. And it's all above the 50 moving average. And again, if you're a swing trader, then take away the 50 simple moving average and add in the 180 simple moving average to ride that trend longer. But your boy, a day trader, we taking profits and compounding every single day. All right, team, like I was showing you on the charts, when it broke that trend line on the daily time frame, the breakout is cool and all, but when it came back and retested, that confirms for you that we're going in that direction, which is in the bullish market. All right, so off that retest, we got to be there, professional, at the market on time, looking for entries off that retest.
I gotta bank the break. I got a few moves to make. I got a flight to take. I got a dream to chase. London, keep them trades coming. London, keep them trades coming. I gotta bank the break. I got a few moves to make. I'm gon' make it. I got a flight to take. I'm gon' take it. I got a dream to chase. I'm gon' chase London, keep them trades coming. Keep them trades coming. London, keep them trades coming. If you ain't investing, if you ain't trading, then what is you doing? I guess you love trading your time for dollars. But just know that time is our most valuable asset. Yeah, I got the formula. Come holler at me.
Where am I at? Where we at? Whew. What is my location? Team, the main thing when you're trying to find the reversals, you gotta be on that daily time frame. Even the weekly. If you're really like a swing trader like that, don't be afraid of the daily time frames. And if you want me to make more videos on how to get comfortable with the higher time frames, then let's do it. Whatever it takes for you to overcome that fear of analyzing the higher time frame. You don't have to trade the higher time frames, okay? But you definitely have to analyze the higher time frames so you can trade the right direction on the lower time frames. All right, like I said, use that trend line, it's your friend. All right, and when price break that trend line and retest it on the higher time frame and make a higher high, trend has changed. Start waiting for pullbacks. Use that moving average trick I just told you, that 8 and the 25, and baby, you're gonna be making money. All right, not just me taking $200 lot sizes. I want you guys taking those lot sizes. And even if you don't, I just want you guys making money. So if you guys need to get brushed up on using that trend line, placing it the right way, watch the video right over there. My trend line video, okay? It's right over there. Watch that video because it's gonna lace you up, all right? Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.